Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my LCO method to keep my hair nicely hydrated and moisturized. So first we're going to be using the hydration mist. Then we're going to go in with the whipped hair and body butter. And the last but not least, the hair growth oil. Let's start hydrating these locks. Make sure if you're new, you subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, all that. Now we're going to go in with the whipped hair and body butter. Yeah, you see my skin glowing, girl. Yes, this is what my body butter does for you. Now we're going to go in with this good old hair growth oil. You want to distribute it throughout your scalp, like so. Now you want to massage your scalp and get that oil all in that scalp, penetrating them hair follicles for at least a minute. You always want to wake them hair follicles up in that scalp. Make sure to check out my website to purchase my growth bundle. It's the hydration mist, whipped hair and body butter, and the hair growth oil, all what I used in this video. So yeah, make sure you're going over to my website and purchase these amazing products. Yes, baby, you see that good hydrated, moisturized scalp? Only the best. Only the best. Yes, girl. But y'all, my hair feels so amazing. So good. And you can apply the whipped hair and body butter right after you get out the shower. This is me applying it after I got out the shower. And you see how it's going to make this skin pop and glow. And how you just shining like butter. Feeling like butter. Y'all, this stuff feels so good. It's not even oily. It don't leave a residue. It don't make your clothes stick to you. It just melts right on your skin. It penetrates your skin, leaving it flawless before and after. Another before and after. Yeah, so y'all make sure y'all get onto that website and purchase these amazing products. I promise you, I'm not playing. Peace.